Today we will discuss preposition of time and date. So at, on, in, by, from, to, till, until, during, since, for, within, before, after are some of the preposition of time and date. So these are the examples of preposition of time and date. So how we use it? Okay. So firstly, we use at. We use at to show the age. For example, at the age of 12. Next, to show point of time. At का यूज होता है पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम को भी शो करने के लिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एट द एंड ऑफ शो और with the time of the day we also use at. For example, at noon, at midnight, at 6 o'clock. Now next we use on. On का यूज किस लिए होता है? To denote a specific day or date. For example, on Sunday, on Children's Day, etc. Next, we use in. We use in for a period. For a time interval के लिए हम use करते हैं इनका. For example, in the morning, in the 21st century, in winter, etc. In means at the end of time. For example, she will return in a week. इनका मतलब क्या है कि समय के एंड में. नेक्स्ट, within. Within means before the end of time. टाइम के एंड से पहले. For example, he will return within a month. During. During is used for known periods of time and generally followed by the name of the period. During means क्या होता है? टाइम इंटरवल के बीच का जो पीरियड होता है, that is known as during. For example, during the office hours, during the lunch break, during the summer, winter, etc. Now from. From is generally used with to. To के साथ यूज होता है from का. For example, he worked from morning to evening. Now till. Till however can be used alone. Till को हमेशा अकेला इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. For example, he worked till evening. Next, until. Until is used with a negative meaning, not before. Until क्या है? नेगेटिव मीनिंग, जिसका मतलब होता है पहले से नहीं. For example, we can't leave until she arrives. Okay, it shows a negative meaning. Now since. Since is used with the perfect tenses and denotes point of time. It is always used with perfect tense. और ये point of time को show करता है. For example, it has been raining since morning. Next, for. For shows that the action continues for the whole period. For किस चीज को show कर रहे हैं? कि जो action है, काम, वो पूरे period में चल रहा है, continue है. For example, the baby has been crying for 10 minutes. Now next, by is used to show the sense by sometimes. By किस लिए यूज होता है? किसी चीज के सेंस को शो करने के लिए. इट मीन्स बिफोर दैट टाइम और एट द टाइम. इसका मतलब है टाइम से पहले या टाइम पर, उसी टाइम पे जो टाइम दिया है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सबमिट द रिपोर्ट बाय 6 PM और बाय द टाइम आई फिनिश माई वर्क इट ग्रू डार्क. Now preposition of travel and movement. From, to, by, on, in, into, onto, at, out, out of are some of the preposition used to show the mode of travel and movement. तो ये जो preposition है वो कौन से preposition है जो travel and movement को show कर रहे हैं. First, by. We use by for by bus, train, car, boat, ship, aeroplane, air, sea, means of transport. Next, on horseback, foot, bicycle. Next, from one place to another place. Next, arrive in a country, town, village. Next, arrive at, get to a specific place, address, etc. Then get into a vehicle. And last, get onto a horse, a bicycle.